Foresight. It is the ultimate anticipation of what could be, of possibility and promise. Ever since 1940s, when Sub-Zero founder developed the first reliable refrigeration system, Foresight proves that the best way to predict the future is to invent it, and driven 3 generations of the family to innovate. Today, we push the limits of what the home kitchen can do and be. We pair visionary design with uncompromising durability, exquisite detail, and engineering precision. An unwavering commitment that transforms home cooks into true home chefs. So now, with a wisdom of 80 years of experience and foresight, our focus is on the future, bringing you meaningful innovation that you can feel, taste, and share. Sub-Zero and Wolf, a higher standard.